Fuling E-SPORTS Electronics Corporation Limited Dongguan is a professional gaming peripheral company in China, which founded in 2004. Fuling E-SPORTS has rich experience in R&D and powerful strength in manufacturing. X700 was launched in 2012. X700, an upmarket gaming mouse with Avago A9500 chipset. G600 was launched in 2013, which was looked upon as the trendsetter of 87 keycap mechanical keyboard. G70 was launched in 2014. Full Metal Mechanical Keyboard and Flame Mouse were launched in 2015. Metal Aesthetics was established. OIY Key Switch Changing and Waterproof Mechanical Keyboard, Professional Gaming Mouse Flame 2 are launched in 2016. OIY Key Switch Changing Mechanical Keyboard brings different experience for players. Waterproof Mechanical Keyboard becomes reality from the concept. Crack element of Flame 2 becomes the most popular design element of the year. Fuling commits to the spirit of innovation and launches K198, K188, K660, K18-R, K191, K170, K193, K192, G51, G52, which are matched for the professional esports games and needs of top-level game players in 2017. Fuling E-SPORTS got lots of awards from web media in the years. Fuling E-SPORTS has 5 professional and 30 part-time game tester to ensure the best performance for game players. Also, top-level players take part in the R&D and manufacturing progress. Many internet cafes choose Fuling E-SPORTS products. Fuling E-SPORTS cooperates with lots of game competitions, includes LOL Collegiate League, LOL National Electronic Sports Gold Open, FRPL Collegiate Competition, etc. That means Fuling E-SPORTS products withstand all the tests of top-level players. Fuling E-SPORTS will fight alongside with all the players and carry Chinese esports to a higher level together. We were told that we are just a manufacturer, but I want you to know Fuling E-SPORTS, gamer for the game.